Dear fellow marketers, are you tired of struggling with WordPress and looking for a more powerful and efficient site builder? Do you want to build a website that ranks quickly and effectively? Look no further than Storipress. This revolutionary site builder offers a user-friendly interface and advanced features that will help you create a website that stands out from the competition. With Storipress, you can easily design and customize your website to match your unique brand and style. You'll have access to a wide range of templates, themes, and plugins that will make your site look professional and polished. But that's not all. Storipress is also optimized for SEO, so you can rest assured that your website will rank quickly and effectively. You'll be able to drive traffic to your site and increase your online visibility with ease. So why wait? If you're looking for a powerful site builder that will help you build a website that stands out from the crowd, Storipress is the solution you've been searching for. Let's get started and see the difference it can make for your business. Feature: use an all-in-one content management system to build and manage a digital publication. Visualize and manage your entire editorial workflow in one place. Collaborate in real time using a text editor with built-in SEO and styling tools. Integrate Storipress with platforms like Shopify, Facebook, and Slack. Design a premium online publication and monetize it without writing any code, and a slew of other features that you'll adore. Price: free! 1 admin seat, unlimited collaborator seats, kanban and calendar views, basic integrations, and up to 250 newsletter subscribers for free for everyone. Standard: everything is free, plus custom domain. Invite more than one admin, 150,000 page views per month, and up to 10,000 subscribers and paywalls for $24 per admin billed for $24 per admin month billed monthly, and $16 per admin billed annually. Plus, everything in Standard Plus. Create and host 4 publications, public graphical API custom fields, 450,000 page views per month, and up to 50,000 newsletter subscribers for $28 per admin annual billing only. But they have some lifetime deals. License Tier 1, 100,000 page views per month, 1 admin editor, 1 publication, and 1 custom domain per account. Publish without a Storipress badge for $49 instead of $384.
License Tier 2. 450,000 page views per month, 3 admin editors, 3 publications, and custom domains per account, and publish without the Storipress badge for $159 instead of $1,152. And
License Tier 3, 1,500,000 page views per month, 8 admin editors, unlimited publications, and custom domains per account. Publish without a Storipress badge and with custom fields for $299 instead of $3,072. Features included in all plans: unlimited collaborators, unlimited storage, unlimited email newsletter subscribers, custom domain, editorial calendar scheduling, collaborative editing and commenting, 50 customizable theme blocks, advanced SEO tools, email collection, custom integrations to enable paywalls, parse, lie, and more, email newsletters and paywalls, beta access to Shopify and Webflow integrations. Customer review. You will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 20 reviews on the Appsumo. And on Product Hunt, there are only 4 reviews. That means it's a completely new service. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. See you in the following video. Thank you.